Sauerkraut is one of the oldest fermented foods. It was first made more than 2000 years ago as a way to preserve cabbage for winter. It is believed that the first fermentation methods appeared in China, and later the tradition spread across Europe. Today, sauerkraut is valued not only for its taste, but also for its beneficial probiotics. This recipe is very simple, and I like to make sauerkraut in the winter period. For color and extra nutrition, I also add a carrot, but it's optional. First, grate the carrot. Then you will need a cabbage. The firmer the cabbage, the better. Try not to use young cabbage with very soft leaves. Slice the cabbage. If you have a large bowl, you can mix everything together there. I don't have a big container, so I do it in the batches. Mix the cabbage and carrot, and salt and a little pepper if you like, and start mixing with your hands. You need to really squeeze the cabbage so it releases its juice. Next, place the cabbage into the container where it will ferment. In my case, I use a large jar that once held pickles. Press the cabbage down firmly and repeat the process until the container is full. Place the weight on top. I simply use a glass filled with water to keep the cabbage submerged in its own liquid. I don't add any water, all the liquid comes naturally from the cabbage. Leave it at room temperature for 3 to 5 days. Twice a day, use a long spoon or another long object to poke holes in the cabbage. This helps release the gases from fermentation. After 3-5 days, taste it. If it's ready, close the lid and place it in the refrigerator. The cold will slow down the fermentation, and the sauerkraut can be stored for a long time. For a simple salad, take some sauerkraut, add slices onion and sunflower or vegetable oil, and one of the healthiest salads in the world is ready.